Good morning, children. Now I will explain for in class 6th chapter 11 ratio and proportion, children. Before also I take two classes, one definition and some sums, children. Now again some more sums I will explain for you, children. Listen carefully and concentration on board. You have to write neatly in the classwork, children. Okay, all definition you have to write and example sums you have to write, and whatever gave on the board that also you have to write, and this also you have to write, children. And remaining sums, exercise sums also you have to write, children. If you have any doubt, come to school, otherwise call to phone. I will clear your doubt, children. Okay, now we can follow. Reena wants to prepare vegetables pulao. Reena is there, one of them, want to prepare a vegetable pulao. She need 300 grams of rice. What want to prepare the vegetable pulao, children? Yes, rice. First 300 grams of rice. If she has to feed 4 people, then how much rice needed if the same pulao is prepared for 7 people? She made 4 people. They use 300 grams. She want to prepare 7 people's. How much rice she want to use? They are asking. Now we have to write first quantity of rice required for the proportion of preparation of vegetable pulao for a 4 people is 300 grams. Okay, children? How much grams? 300 grams. Then quantity of rice needed to prepare pulao for 1 person we have to find out. First 1 person we have to find out. Then how we have to make 300 divided by 4 we have to do. Then that directly we can know the tables properly. We can perfect in table. We can directly cancel it. Otherwise you can do division method also. You will get, children. See, 300 4 7 is 28. Then minus 32. 28, then you will get 200 down this 0, 28 will happen, 4 5s are 20. How much? 75 grams. 1 person want to 75 grams of rice. Now what they are asking? 7 people they are asking. Then that we have to find. Quantity of rice needed to prepare now for 7 people they are asking. No? That's why 75 into 7 grams we have to do multiplication. Then you will get 525 grams. See, 7 5s are 35, 3 carries 5 and 7 7s are 49. Yes, again that 3 we have to have 52 will happen. Total 7 people, how many grams you want, children? The preparing the pulao, vegetable pulao, 525 grams, children. Are you clear, children, this sum? Okay, if you have any doubt, call to me. Otherwise, come to school, I will clear your doubt, children. Okay, now one more sum I will explain for you, children. The cost of 16 chairs is rupees 3,600. The cost of 16 chairs is rupees 3,600 rupees. Find the number of chairs that can be purchased for rupees 4,500. 4,500 they purchased number of chairs. How many chairs they purchased we have to find, children. Okay. Now cost of 16 chairs is called how much? 3,600. Now cost of 1 chair we have to find. Before some also explain, no? Then what they gave and divided by what 16 chairs, that number we have to write. Then again if you know the table directly you can cancel it directly you will get. Otherwise division method also you do, you will get, children. Then 16 2s are 32. Then 36 minus 32 you will get 4 and bring down 0. Then 40 will happen. 16 2s are again 32. Then 40 minus 32 will do. And this 10 minus 2 8. Then 330 will get, bring down the 80, 16 5s are 80, children. 0 will get. Then what you will get in quotient? 225 rupees. Each chair cost is 225. Then the number of chairs that can be purchased for rupees how much? 4,500. We have to find out this. How many chairs they buy? Then 4,500 divided by 225. This long numbers, big numbers are there, no? That's why you are not getting division, no? That so you can do one more method also. LCM, you know, no LCM. That also I will explain for you before previous classes. That we LCM we can take 4,500, then 5 9 ja 45 zeros like that only. 5 1 ja, then how much here left? 4 left. Then 5 8 ja 40, 0 like that only, and 5 3 ja 15, how much left? 3. Then 5 6 ja 30. Okay, then 4 9 ja 36. This LCM step we have to do, and we have to write in this denominator also we have to do LCM only. 225. Then 5 4 ja 20. Then 2 left. 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 9 ja 45. This we have to write, children. Okay, then you have to cancel. 5 5 cancel, 5 5 cancel, this 9 cancel. How much you left in numerator? 5 into 4. 5 4 ja, how much? 20. 5 4 ja 20. Then each, then how many chains they buy? 4,500? 20 chains they will buy, children. Okay, are you understood, children? This sums. Okay, now we will finish the ratio and proportion. Now next class we will go for 12th lesson, children. If you have any doubt, call to me. Otherwise, come to school. I will clear your doubt, children. Write classwork neatly, children. Okay, if you finish your classwork, come to school, take correction, children. Okay, thank you, children.